Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
MLA ka Jowai uba wailat Pynshlur ula plipat ba yak entrepreneurship cell cell balapanong ru yak entrepreneurship awareness program ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai kani ge jialang plipat ba lapanong ha ka hall jong ka college ha khatlai trik jmang balapanya du Dr. PMB Rani co-convener cell ha ka jingkran lampang jong ka principal ka college ka Dr. Aidkhar kalong baka thong jong ani ka isal kalong ban thaw ka rukam perkhat ka bathamai ban kan tiaw ka kam seng jam hapo ka rilom jantia kham tam e apdeng ki samla puli kasal kan yarap ru ban pen kalai ki jingmut jing perkhat jong ki samla shi kam khayi ban Pynshlur ki ban shim ni ka kam seng kum ka wei na kilat tri kam basngat ki jing thmu jong ka isal ki kan thop ban thaw ka rukam im ka bakan tiaw ka kam seng ban Pynshlur ka man sim seng kam ha ki samla ban yarap ban pen kalai ki jingmut chi kam khayi ki bala ban le ban pet ya ka kam seng kum kalat jing trei ka bapaka uba wailat Pynshlur ba jingkran kumukong san ulong nga ai ka jingero e ka ni ka sim jam jong ka college ha ka por ba ki samla ki mat e ka jingkerdu kam kerdu jam kini kilat kilong ki badan kam e ka jingelam jong menteri rangba ka jilla ukan rat ke sangma ubadan ru ka kedan pule ha ka kam seng jam ka sarkar kala persyang ban thaw kilat kilinti ban kenti ka kam seng kamla satya baka sarkar kan ai kam sarkar ya man uwei pa uwei hendrei de ban kenti ka jingla jong ki samla banlong kinong penmi kam uba Nathaniel Kharkungor senior manager ka EPDP Prime Meghalaya haba jingkran kumuriu shampang ulong balingba ka isal ki samla kin sala ban kelalong kinong penmi kam banerap ru ya kiwei ulong banlong unong penmi kam uba job usamla uri bandon yak mensem muddur ban itho ya jing e ban wat lenti ban weng yaki.
I'd like to congratulate the college for another milestone, another achievement and another opportunity, especially for our youth of the region, because this is the need of the hour. Looking at the present scenario, the unemployment, and I think this is the best way, the best approach and the way forward. So I'd like to once again to congratulate and I'd like to acknowledge the efforts taken by the college. Really, this is the need of the hour. No doubt, as you have seen under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, who himself has a degree on entrepreneurship, and under his leadership, he has tried his level best to create the ecosystem of how we can bring more skill and entrepreneurs, because we do understand that it is not possible for our government or any other government in the world to give government job to each and everyone. So that's why we have tried our level best to give the opportunity for our youth, especially in the entrepreneurship.
Which I will get to a little bit more details in my speech later on. And then we conduct exposure visits and training as well for the faculty to empower them with skills sets that they can further guide the students in their entrepreneurial journey. This e-cell that we start today, you guys to become government employees. What a government employee, especially in the words of in Gujarat, they call them government servants, because servants means like a person who depends on somebody else for money. However, if you guys become entrepreneurs through this e-cell that we will set up in your college, you will not become job seekers, but job givers. And I hope that gives a little bit of spark for you guys in this entrepreneurial journey that you want to start. My name is Nathaniel Kharkor. I have 4 years of work experience with Plie. I've worked with various kinds of startups and entrepreneurs from rural to urban. And I will be telling you in detail later on about the journeys and the difficulties for which you will face as an entrepreneur if you choose to follow this path. So this is just a short speech. Later on I'll give a more detailed explanation of these. Thank you.